The GE Air Code 26 indicates an unbalanced load in the washer. This issue is often caused by the machine being uneven or having worn-out tub bearings. To resolve the problem, it is essential to ensure the washer is level and resting on a flat surface. Adjusting the feet of the washer according to the gradient can help achieve levelness. And using a spirit level on the side and top of the washer can confirm it is well centered. If the issue persists, replacing the tub bearings may be necessary. This involves switching off and unplugging the appliance, then removing various components, including the top panel, soap dispenser tray, control panel, bottom plate, front panel, door seal, door lock, detergent tray, counterweights, heating system, sump hose, back panel, and drive belt. After removing the motor and separating the tub into its top and bottom halves, the faulty bearings can be removed and new ones installed. Finally, the tub and washer components must be reassembled in the same order to complete the repair.